फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैंने आपको, जैसा कि पहले वीडियो में मैंने आपको स्टॉक सिलेक्शन का क्राइटेरिया, एंट्री एग्जिट, दूसरे वीडियो में फिजियोलॉजी और क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड ट्रेडर, तीसरे वीडियो में कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न, चौथे वीडियो में आपको मैंने टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर्स के बारे में बताया है, जो आप उसको इंट्राडे स्विंग ट्रेडिंग में, निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी ट्रेडिंग में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। आज मैं आपको पैटर्न के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। स्टॉक मार्केट में, किसी भी स्टॉक में बहुत सारे पैटर्न बनते हैं। मैं अपना वीडियो इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में करूँगा, ताकि दोनों ही लोगों को समझने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो। I will cover only major patterns. I am not going to cover all patterns. I will take names of some pattern. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं स्लाइड में, पहला पैटर्न जो है रिवर्सल डबल बॉटम पैटर्न है। दूसरा, जिसको हम डबल बॉटम टॉप पैटर्न भी बोल सकते हैं। आफ्टर दैट यू विल फाइंड double top, double bottom. Double top is a bearish pattern, double bottom is a bullish pattern. Then next pattern is head and shoulder top. Then another pattern is inverse head and shoulder. Head and shoulder top is a bearish pattern. I mean to say, after getting head and shoulder form, a stock will go in more and more downtrend. It may happen the stock go down continuously a week. Another pattern is inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a bearish or which form after a bearish trend, and a particular stock will go into bullish mode. Next pattern is a rectangle pattern. First is bullish rectangle, the second is bearish rectangle, the third is descending triangle, the fourth is symmetrical triangle, the next is bullish pennant, bearish pennant, rising wedge, falling wedge. Usually these patterns take 3 weeks to 3 months to form. We can verify these pattern in past data and analyze whether stock has fallen or not. We have to develop the skill that we can identify this pattern and take a input of that, and we can take a intraday or swing trading. Usually there is not too much use of this pattern in intraday trading, but few traders are using this. This will be more helpful in swing trading. In swing trading you can take a position for 4 days to 15 days or a month. So let's start pattern. The first pattern is head and shoulder pattern. In this pattern you will find left shoulder, right shoulder and head. We can say as a head and shoulder top reversal pattern. This is a V-risk pattern. We found this pattern in uptrend, and once uptrend end, then buying dries up and the market tests down side again. We can draw a trend line from left shoulder to right shoulder and just see there is a bearish breakout. In next slide you can see and realize a head and shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder and head. You see after drawing a trend line you can see there is a big fall in stock. There is a very big bearish candle. For drawing a trend line you have to use two peaks or two troughs or bottom. Here we use two bottoms as usual in the PPT, and you see how much stock has gone. You see in the next slide head and shoulder, head, shoulder and neckline. It breaks. Here you can buy at initial breakout of the neckline, or some trader wait for the retest, that is wait to price to break out and come down to test the broken neckline, then buy. So there are two strategies on this. First is initial breakout, or you see test, retest and buy it. I mean to say you can short it because it is going down. The next pattern you can see here, stock target you can take from neckline to head. How much stock is going to fall, that you just take a total length of head to neckline. This is the target of downfall. Stock must go this level down. These numbers you can calculate. Head and shoulder take 3 weeks to 3 months to form in any stock. Minimum 3 weeks. but 3 weeks is also not usual. It takes 3 months. So 6 month, 3 to 6 month I will say. Yes, some pattern maybe in 3 weeks also. The next pattern is head and shoulder bottom pattern. As you shall see, the stock is going when it will form. Once the stock is in downtrend, and it will come back again, and it will buying will again down. Once it touches the neckline, and it will downfall more and more, then again it will come back, and on the right shoulder again buying will start. So in that also there are two shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, and head and shoulder bottom will form at the downtrend. You can find out the stock, those have gone too much down. How to calculate profit? You see that head and shoulder bottom, shoulder left, then head, then right shoulder. You draw a neckline from left shoulder to right shoulder, and once price break the neckline, the stock will go up. There are two buying levels in that. First is you can buy as first point, or you can buy at retesting. The profit, how you have to calculate the profit? Take the difference from head to neckline, that is the profit. So stock must give this profit. Please remember, only 70% pattern pass and 30% fail. Success rate of pattern are 70%, not 100%. Stock market is a combination of permutation and combinations. The next pattern is double top pattern. Double top pattern, you see it is a like M. Once you make a M, its formation is like M kind of thing. M, this is a English word we use in primary classes. Double top is a reversal pattern. It forms on the existing uptrend. When it found in the uptrend and neckline broken, that confirms the downtrend. Here you have to draw a line from left to right shoulder, or peak 1 to peak 2. Trade, how the trade happen? Trade the initial breakout once neckline broken, and how's the profit? Is neckline to highest peak, that is the profit. I mean to say, this level stock will fall. Use the difference in pips as take the profit if you are trading from breakout from the neckline. You see this is the double bottom, first peak, second peak, existing uptrend. Then you see that some trader put on the aggressive entry point on the second peak and they short. Some take conservative, some take at first line broken, the second trade at retest. Aggressive trading on the second peak, you short the, then profit may be double. You see again, some trader wait for the pullback, or some do shorting at the are selling at the retesting. Then again, double bottom reversal pattern. It is a reversal pattern. When it forming the existing downtrend, it signals an uptrend. Trade, there are two ways trade can be taken. This is like a W kind of pattern. Pattern it form once neckline the broken. You can draw a neckline from bottom 1 to bottom 2. Wait, enter on retest or on retest neckline is broken. You see that how to calculate the profit. This you see there is a downtrend, then bottom one, then again it will go up, then again it will come back. How to calculate expected profit? You take a difference from neckline to peak bottom. This level you should get the profit. The distance h is distance between neckline and bottom, and you can price move up and you take the profit and exit. This pattern also take weeks to months, usually 3 to 6 months, sometimes lesser also. Next important pattern is triangle pattern. This is very important pattern. A lot of traders are using this pattern in intraday trading also. So you might have seen a lot of time expert on TV saying a triangle pattern is formed. Now stock will go in breakdown and break up. I mean to say it is going to down or it is going to up. The important thing is triangle pattern. How to draw a symmetrical triangle pattern? You see in the down, first diagram is symmetrical triangle pattern, the second is ascending triangle pattern, the third is descending triangle pattern. You see a price moving up and down, but this up and down is a single converging at point. You see that converging means they are being almost at a single point. I mean to say you need minimum 2 peaks and troughs to draw trend line both the sides. It will be a matter of time. Price has break out the pattern either moving up and down. So like that you have to draw the trend line from top and bottom. You just see there are two trend lines has been drawn, uptrend and downtrend, or downtrend and uptrend. You see the stock is going up and down. There are two simple ways to draw symmetrical triangle pattern. First is trade at the initial breakout. The best to breakout actually happens with the candlestick. If you get any candlestick like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing or hammer, then it will be ideal trade and you will get too much profit on that. The second is trade at the retest of trend line is broken. The way to enter is to wait retest broken trend line in the triangle pattern either buy or sell. You see that an ascending triangle, you see the stock is going up. Descending triangle, you see the stock is going down. Symmetrical triangle, you see that it may break out or break down. Then you see that a symmetrical triangle can be two types, bullish and bearish. Symmetrical triangle you can analyze in the diagram. symmetrical triangle. First it is formed as uptrend, then you see you draw a two trend line. In between the market is on sideways. You see the market is in range bound out sideways market. Then you draw to minimum two peaks required to draw downtrend line, and use minimum two rows required to draw trend line. Then you see it is breaking out and stock is going up and up. Breakout and uptrend continues. You can get a lot of profit by doing this. I have shown this in the symmetrical triangle in chart, like you will get that. You have to draw the trend line, and you see you draw to trend line, and you see it is breaking down. You can buy at retesting. Better to buy at retest. Once it goes down, then it will come back and again go down. So better to short it at don't I mean to say don't buy it. You have to short because it is going down, and you see how much profit you get. A lot of profit on that, and take the trade once downtrend is over. You see this is also a very good diagram, is showing how symmetrical triangle form and how it is going down. Breakout and is going down, you can take a profit. Then the second is ascending triangle pattern. It is a bullish continuation pattern in existing uptrend. So you see in farming uptrend exerts the breakout to upside. It can be a strong bullish reversal. When you see in downtrend, you see in uptrend ascending triangle pattern, the stock goes, there is too much uptrend, stock is sideways, and you draw a two trend line by using troughs and peaks, and you see a breakout, and you can book a profit accordingly. Here you see that it is formed and stock is going up. Buy, breakout, buy and exit. You can decide your profit. Always put a stop loss at breakout point of the candle form, and take the lowest one, and the profit you can see XP from where it will form uptrend. That amount of profit you can break. You can break 50% profit, then again you work 50% profit. Descending triangle pattern, you see that there are two levels, since all stocks have support and resistance level. Support level is that level, from there stock buying will come. I mean to say bull will come into picture and buying will start. Resistance level is at that level where bears will take over from the big bull and stock will go down. Then again support level, then it will again come back. So support and resistance level, you can draw that. Here we can draw two trend lines and see the breakout. Just see the diagram. It is characterized by descending resistance level and fairly horizontal support level converging to point until the breakout happens to downside as above and mentioned below diagram. You just see downtrend, then sideways market range bound, then it is a breakout, and you see you can take a profit accordingly. This is a bearish pattern form in downtrend as continuation pattern. However, this pattern can be a bearish reversal pattern at the end of uptrend. Therefore, regardless of where it forms, it is a bearish chart pattern. How to draw descending triangle formation? Similar to other triangle pattern, you can either trade in initial breakout or wait, see if prices reverse back to test the broken support level and sell. here you interesting thing you see, height of the triangle used to determine the profit. Just see strong support level and top, that will be the profit, and you can book the profit in phases. You book first the first 50% profit, then again 50% profit. Stop loss you can take, stop loss you see that you can take next to candle and put the stop loss accordingly, and you see the profit limit is already mentioned, and you see after that the range is again range bound, it is going to break again. So I covered. The next very important thing is channel. This channel also form on the any stock. There are three types of channel: uptrend channel, downtrend channel, sideways horizontal channel. Fundamental principle of channel is form is support and resistance. You see here downtrend channel, you see in the diagram, this is a channel. You need minimum two lower swing lows to draw the support line, and you need minimum two higher swings lows to draw a resistance line. And you see a channel is formed, this is downtrend channel, and you see as resistance you can short it and take the profit, and the again at support you can buy it. So you can do the trade accordingly. Uptrend channel, you see this is form, this is an uptrend. You form a channel similar way. How to trade an uptrend channel? You need point 1, point 2 to draw a channel lines and wait. Channel lines are same trend line you can draw. This is the trend line. You can say it is a horizontal or vertical support. You need to point 1 and 2 to draw your channel lines and wait for the price to reach them later on. Sell when price touches the upper trend line and buy when price touches the lower trend line. Sideways channel, it forms in range bound market. You say that the market is in downtrend, after that it is sideways and range bound market. You see you can form a channel by support and resistance, and you buy or short as mentioned in the picture. Always put a stop loss, and really stop loss also you can put along. Do not play in share market without a stop loss, because there might be all of a sudden Nifty down or Sensex down. Due to that, stock may down all of a sudden. Just I will cover the general loose part trading channel. If you buy or sell order side of channel, you wait price to reach other end of channel to take profit. Place your stop loss on the account of channel just above high up candlestick for sell order, or just below low up candlestick buy order that touch the channel and shows signs of rejection. This candlestick can be also reversal candlestick. You may decide half profit as price is in the middle of channel for profitable trade. Friends, I will again telling you, there are so many patterns, n number of patterns, but you have to focus on head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, then symmetrical triangle, descending triangle, then reversal, double top, double bottom. Rest you can go through and just try to identify these channels, these double bottom, double tops, in any stock. You take a daily in investing.com, you search a stock and you go into history of a stock, just see and analyze the past data. So one important thing I am going to tell you now. I told you technical indicators, I told you candlestick, I told you patterns. So you have to focus on these three things. By that way you can have a good trade. I will advise you to do paper trading. Don't go into trade. Next video I am going to tell you how to add indicators. I will use investing.com site and I will show you how you can add an indicator, and I will realize you some videos. I will again advise you, don't do trading without proper training, without proper trade. Initially you do a paper trade, use very less capital, be alert. A lot of people are giving training but they are not competent. If anybody is telling you, you ask NSE certification number whether they are qualified or not qualified. They might be getting profit because of they might be doing trading for 8 to 10 years and they might be knowing some of strategies. They claim a lot. In a stock market people are charging huge money to train people. So be careful. You can take a training from registered institute or any expert, but always take a training from NSE certified technical analyst or research analyst or fundamental analyst or option strategy analyst. So by taking a training from certified person, you will have minimum losses and you can sustain in the market. So there are a few traders who make their anniversary. I already told in earlier video, only 5% trader get successful and 95% getting losses. Please always ask NSE certification number, reference number before taking training. A lot of people are there in the market. They might be telling you by learning from YouTube and some documents. Don't trust them. Thanks a lot. In next trading video I will tell you how to add indicators in investing.com and I will share you. Kindly focus on my all videos. So because I will refer always my videos, whatever I told I will mention, otherwise you will not able to understand. Don't do trading, just learn first. Just do paper trading 2-3 months, then you do trading. Please do not be in hurry. Be careful. Do not do intraday trading on tips. This will be very risky. I am again telling you. So thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Thanks friend.